Tuesday. Kasi Monday kahapon. So, Tuesday ngayon. Ang hirap keep up sa mga araw kung nasa bakasyon ka. Like, hindi ko alam kung anong mga araw na. Gawin ko lang to habang tulog pa silang lahat at habang hinihintay ko na lumamig yung aking kape. Kasi mamaya, sila na lahat aasikasuhin ko pagising na sila. So, check out tayo today and punta tayo kina Manay. So, matutuloy ang New Year namin dun. Kasi paiba-iba siya eh. May point na hindi na sana kami matutuloy dun guys, na sana magdadrive na lang kami ngayon diretso to Adelaide and dun na lang kami mag-New Year. Tapos na bago, nung nalaman nila na wala kaming mahanap na accommodation, kasi wala kaming mahanap na accommodation eh, punuan na lahat. Kahit nasaan ka magpunta, punuan na. Well, except dun sa mga lugar na wala ka talagang magagawa. So, sabi ni John, dito na lang kayo mag-New Year. Sa Robe kasi sana kami, yun yung, nung nalaman namin na hindi kami tuloy dun, sa Robe sana kami. Wala, punuan talaga guys. Dapat kasi talaga i-book siya in advance. Wala nang mga vacancy. Like, kapag nga dumadaan kami sa mga drive namin, dumadaan kami sa mga hotel, motel, mga accommodation, lahat, halos lahat, or lahat talaga may nakalagay, no vacancy. Siguro para wag na magtanong yung mga tao. It's a busy time of year. Pero anyway, punta tayo kay Manay. Magdadrive tayo dun. Kasi dala namin yung mga presents. Kasi yung plano kasi talaga namin, hindi kami magsistay dun. Dadaan lang kami for lunch. Magla-lunch kami kasama sila. Tapos yun nga, drive na lang kami pa uwi. Kung wala talaga kaming mahanap na accommodation. Pero sabi ni Manay, uy, dito na lang kayo. Gising na si Indy. Natulog, bumalik sa tulog guys. Binlagyan ko lang ng dami. Try kong i-push ang aking lashes guys. Kasi nagtatanggalan na yung mga false eyelashes ko. So ilalagay ko yung cluster lashes. I did it! Uy! Akala ko sumuka. Sabi ko, I feel something yun. Dami niya pala nakabitay. Para namang upaw yung likod mo, Bi. Hindi yan upaw. Umangat lang yung buhok. Normal sa bata na nakakalbo. Mga ganitong edad nakakalbo sila. But yung mga anak ko, naglalagasan yung buhok nila but not to the point na nakakalbo. May ibang bata kasi talaga na nakakalbo talaga and that's normal. But this one, hello, good morning guys! Ikaw talaga, lumalaban ka talaga sa gising, no? Kapag gising si mami, gising ka din, no? Or ikaw ang nauna magising tapos nagising si mami, no? Laging tayong dalawa na uuna, no? Laging tayong dalawa lang. Bait-bait lang niya kasi pinasok ko siya doon para ilagay yung dummy. Tapos, relax lang siya. Ganun, galaw-galaw. Tapos pinatapos niya ako guys na gawin yung lashes ko. And hanggang sa natapos ako, hindi pa din siya umiyak. Ganito lang. Magalaw-galaw lang siya. Kinuha ko lang siya kasi nandun si Arlo. So, I used the TNF. I don't know how to pronounce that. But that's not very natural looking lang ng mga lashes niya. And I got this from Amazon. So, I used 12, 11, 10, and 9. Yan. Nakakalbo na dyan. Tapos, okay na ako. Namin ko na yung kape ko. Hangout sa aking Inday. And we're good. So, marunong na ako maglagay ngayon ng clusters. Kasi last time, hindi ako marunong guys. Tumutusok siya sa mata ko. But I just looked up videos on TikTok kung paano siya ilagay. And kaya ngayon, marunong na ako. Ang bilis-bilis ko lang siya nagawa. Dito yung mas maraming clusters kong nilagay. Yung dito, may mga natira pa kasing mga eyelash extensions. So, konti lang yung nilagay ko dito. Yung mga nakalbo lang na part. Well, Mommy will have coffee? Hey! Mommy will have coffee lang! Sus, kabuyag ba yan? Ako Inday. Kabuyag ba yan ako healthy baby. Let's go.
Walking on the tree, trying to eat a little kitty. Okay.
You gonna show me superheroes? Oh wow. Not bad.
What do you say to Mama?
Leave the milk here? Yeah. Thanks.
You guys want milk?
I don't want milk.
You don't want milk? You can drink it from the bottle. Layla, seriously? I can let you drink it from the bottle?
This is our cup, isn't it?
Yeah. Nandun si Dan, guys. Naglo-load ng car. There he is. So, pag nag-check-in ka dito, they will give you a designated parking area. And that's our parking area. Meron niyang nakalagay 11 because we are in room 11.
On a book.
You wanna walk? So, maraming mga villas dito. Yung villa namin nakaharap dun sa tubig. Yung may mga villas din dyan. So, yung view nila sa likod is
So we
yun.
book there.
Yun. Sorry, baby?
So did we book there, not in our hotel?
That's our parking spot.
Why?
Well, that's just how it is, ate.
Why we don't book in our hotel?
This is our hotel. That's just how they do it.
We own it's a house.
Ayla, put that back, ate. Put
It's
that
a
back.
house, Mom.
Oh my gosh, you got all your superheroes. Who are they? Can you tell me?
Superman,
Yep.
Soda,
Joker.
Batman,
Yes.
with daughters. I don't know. It's done. It's outside.
No, I think we left it in our house. Is that okay?
Not in the house.
It's not in our house.
Maybe it's in the bin.
Oh, in the bin?
Not bin.
Not bin, no. It's not in the bin. It's just in our house. Hello.
Nanny's house.
Nanny's house. Yeah, I think it's in Nanny's house. That's okay. All right, come on.
Why all live in Nanny's house?
We can't bring all of them. He has a lot of superheroes, right, Alo?
I thought two superheroes.
You only bring 3. Oh, what?
I thought.
Put it down, ate. Don't do your dress like that.
Down.
Down.
I don't like
Go, guys. Okay, just stay on the side, ate. Just stay on the side so daddy can go. Okay.
It's halfway there. Here we go.
Alright, guys. That's okay. You're going very slowly and carefully.
Oh! Ali's getting quick.
Oh,
Who
wow.
wins?
Good job, guys. Aw.
Push, push.
Push. Strong. Very good, kids. Alright, so daddy will take them to the car. And then I will check out.
Alright, guys, come with me.
Alright, go to daddy. Go to daddy. Oh, it looks nice. We survived another one, my love.
Yeah.
Heading to Mount Gambier.
Tito, you can't live there.
Oh, no. Tita Ikang lives in Canada, my love.
Very far away, princess.
Very, very far away. But you know what? She's got snow there. What?
Why does there snow there now?
She lives in a country with snow. Is that fun?
Mommy,
Yes.
after Tito Manai's,
You guys want a drink?
after Tito Manai gives, can we go to Canada with Tita Ikan?
After Tita Manay, can we go to Canada? Ask daddy.
Nope.
Babe, it's really, really, really far. It's really far.
How do you think you're going to plane ride, Isla, for... How long is it? Pretty much a day. Probably fly to LA and then fly to Canada.
Yeah.
Sydney to LA, LA to Toronto.
It's a long flight, Bob. Really long. And then mommy needs to hold Indy the whole time. Not anytime soon, Bawa. That's a really long flight.
Well, I really wanna
help build her a sand castle.
No, the snowman.
A snowman, okay. Do you wanna build a snowman?
Romeo,
Bye-bye.
can we give Tito Ethan a surprise?
Oh, we gave her a surprise before. We gave her a birthday Christmas surprise. And you know what? She said, thank you, Ate Ayla.
Well, I heard it say, I appreciate it.
She did say I appreciate it.
What's the next month? Is it done?
Oh yeah, Tita Jan. Where are we going, Ala?
See Zach.
Zach,
Yes!
Tito Ethan say, I want to be a snow.
Where are we going, Alo?
That,
Where?
that,
To your best friend's house? Who's your best friend?
that, that.
Who's Ate's best friend?
Okay.
Talk properly. Who is Daddy's best friend?
Didn't
Who's Mama's best friend?
know.
Why are you talking like that? Who's your best friend? DJ. Oh.
So, let's buy.
I picture you every day, and I wish it could be less blue. There's nothing that they can say, I'll act like a fool. Cause I never felt how the flowers bloom to then die when you cut them, you're so cruel. But I can't accuse you. Cause you don't know what real love means. If for you it is dead, can't blame you when it ends. If it's in my head, I wonder what you would say. I've already taken the car key to see your face at that party, to remember how all of this began. Maybe I could say I'm sorry. I know that I'm facing something bigger, like I'm chained to die in this river, drowned in your eyes that sweep me like a tide. I'm yours eternally, I'm yours for life.
So today, wala kaming itinerary talaga kung saan kami magsa-stop. And then ngayon, may nakita kami guys. Cheese Great Ocean Road. Cheese World Great Ocean Road. We have to stop guys. We have to stop. It's the Cheese World guys. We have to check it out.
I want to come out in your side, Mom.
Okay baby, come out on my side baby. Good job baby. Did you help Arlo?
Daddy.
Daddy helped him. Okay. Oh, good job, guys. Come on. Do you have the wallet, babe?
Yeah.
Do I need to bring my wallet, babe? Okay, I'll just bring my wallet. Ay, babe! Hello! You stepped on Daddy's sunnies.
Okay.
That's okay. Hello, beautiful! Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go there. Dairy History Museum. Cheese Cellar Cafe and Museum. Actually, hindi pa kami kumakain. Yung mga bata lang. Kami ay wala pang kain. Tingnan yung dalawa, oh.
Maybe I love your tight chains that I can't maintain. I can't stop thinking that it's so premature, that I could see it pure, but it's obscure. This net is not secure. Cause you don't know what real love means. The traffic lights are red, can't blame you when it ends. If it's in my bed, I wonder what you'd say. I've already taken
May Moscato sana sila, kaya lang hindi sparkling. Cheeses are here. We can get this brand from the shops lang. Wala kaming napala dun, guys. Meron sana silang cheese tasting, kaya lang medyo madaming tao.
It's a lollipop.
So, balik tayo drive. And then we'll see kung may makita na naman tayo. Hindi kami nagmamadali kasi sabi ko kay Manay alas 3, tapos yung estimated arrival namin 12:58. Ano yan? So excited yon.
Me like a tide, I'm yours eternally and yours for life. Won't break, I'll stay eternally. My faith I gave eternally. I dig the
Where are we? We're here. Ayan, Indy will be due for a feed. She's very due actually. In fairness sa kanya.
all rubbish?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, relax guys. This one as well.
That one.
Yeah, I will.
Put the on.
Hindi. Asan ka na naman? Ito first time niya dito, no?
First time niya.
Dala ka naman, no?
Where are we lang lang?
Dala naman tong batang to.
Para siyang lalaki dyan sa outfitan niya.
Ano ito?
Ah.
Yes,
Dito na kami guys.
Yes,
Hala!
baby! I have strawberries. or
Tapos ko na yung
blueberries.
pakainin.
I do have. Ask kuya sa comment.
Tingnan mo tong ano, camera. Tingnan mo. Malinaw naman, di ba? Ito? Yeah. Oo. Pero malinaw, di ba? Kaya nga, malinaw naman. See, dito, oh, malinaw naman.
Doon ka nga.
Mom, I want strawberries.
Oo, tingnan mo.
Yeah. Can you wash it for them, please?
Yeah, mali. At tapos ito, oh, kahit nasa ano ka,
Against us.
oo, see, hindi, oo, hindi umiitim. Yeah. Oh, di ba maganda to nga? Convinced tayo sa kanya hanggang ngayon, hindi pa bumibili. Ewan ko dito sa babaeng to. I love your nails. Pinakita niya talaga sa akin yung nails niya.
Ang cute, diba?
I love it. See, I don't have nails.
I don't have to.
Wala ka, tinanggal mo.
Wala.
Nakita ko yun sa ano mo.
Yun lang.
Yun lang, tinanggal mo. Ako din naman. Pahinga muna siya sa New Year. Lagay kita doon? Lagay kita doon o gusto mo kumain lumpia? Gusto mo kumain lumpia na? Mukha mo ay. Gusto mo kumain lumpia?
Maano ka kasi matapos ka.
Kaya nga, sumusuka din to.
Doon sakto.
Thank you.
Can you help us?
Yeah.
Help us.
Okay, I will remove the ano. Wait.
Where are you guys eating here?
Wait lang.
Now I.
Hala, nasunog na yung ating spring roll. Okay. You know what? Can you get a bowl there, Baba? There's bowl there in that cabinet. Can you get a bowl instead? Open, and then there's bowl on your right. Look down on your right. See? You see it? Get one for Arlo too, please.
Ano gusto mo ate?
Dalawang bowl para sa kanila ni Arlo.
Barbie for you and a doggy for Arlo.
That's right. Buti hindi ko pa yan tinatapon.
Kaya nga, meron ka din cup.
No, kasi yung mga bata.
Yeah, as in maganda siya manay. As in, hindi talaga siya against the light. Oh, ay, against the light ba? Pero,
Kaya nga,
yeah.
ano ka rin.
Kahit ikaw dyan, oh, sa likod mo may, ano, yeah.
Ganda nga.
Muntikan pa nga, sabi ko nga, kung hindi talaga natuloy, sabi ko, tayo na talaga magdadrive talaga pagpa-uwi ng 31.
kaya mo.
Pero walang katao-tao.
Wala nga.
Wala.
Wala.
Sino ba naman kasi magdadrive?
Kasi nagluluto mga
Sino
tao.
uuwi ng 31?
Yung iba nga, nag-hide. Gumagalaw kasi yung ano ka na lang sa bathroom.
Gumagalaw. Maghugas ako ng kamay.
Gumagalaw.
Gumagalaw. Yung ano.
Ang tawag nito, this, ano lang, tinawagan na lang kita, nag-cheers na lang tayo ikahabang nasa car. Hoy, patayin na nga. Wala naman. Are you watching, Dodong? Are you watching? Ay, ang sarap nitong pulborn, guys. Mauubos ko na yung isa, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Dalawa to. Ngayon, dalawa ulit.
Ano na yung kilay? Ay,
Ganda nga. Ikaw lang?
ako na.
Ako na talaga.
Ako na nga. Ako nagagawa ng nails ko. Ako nagagawa. Ili-learn ko yung kilay. Ako nagagawa sarili kong kilay din.
Mag-ano ka na lang. Ikaw na lang lahat.
Eh, kaya nga. Papunta na talaga ako dun sa DIY na lang lahat. Gano'ng kalaki mo na?
Ako mo naman.
Sige.
Your hands are hungry.
Tapos, siwain mo siya. Yung parang cheese ba na?
Okay. Tapos ano
Tapos
pa yan?
iwa-
Liitan pa yan?
Oo.
Square?
Oo. Maliit lang. Yung tama lang na dice.
Okay. Yep. Saan
Okay?
ilalagay?
Dito na. Di ba ang bango ng ham? Dito.
Okay. Diretso na. Sige.
Diretso na dito kasi
Yes.
ihimasin yan mamaya. para mabalot na. Para may steam na kasi para mamaya or hindi man ngayon, bukas meron tayo. Pero
Yeah.
magluluto pa rin tayo niyan kasi pang-offer natin yan doon sa table. Pang-offer sa table. Walang kakanin, i-offer lang namin sa table. Kasi doon kami guys sa caravan nga. Andun na, dinala ni Mijan lahat ng meat. Andun na sa caravan.
Kaya nga, pumunta kami dito na hindi namin alam, ano kayo mangyayari ngayon? Sabi ni Dan, anong mangyayari? Saan tayo? Anong dadalhin natin? Sabi ko, wala daw dadalhin. Sabi ni Manay.
Wala.
Pero hindi namin alam kung dito ba or sa caravan ba.
Kung hindi ako tumawag, dire-diretso na talaga kayo, no?
Dire-diretso.
Tapos nag-impake ka ulit. Nagdagdag ka ulit ng damit.
Hindi.
So, wala.
Hindi ako nagdagdag ng damit. Nagdagdag lang ako. Kasi yung mga bata talaga, lagi naman talaga silang extra. So ako, hindi ako nagdagdag ng damit. Kaya nga ako nakapang sports ngayon.
Kasi nakita ko sa vlog mo na kapag ano ka na,
Nakapag-impake na ako,
nakapag-impake
yeah.
ka na.
Before ka
Tapos
tawag.
yung pagtawag ko ng 26, alam ko, naka-impake ka na. Tapos kasi 27 alis kayo.
Hindi din kasi kasya. Kahit na magdagdag ako, hindi na kasya. Kasi yung sa mga bata, ang dami kasi sa kanila. Kaya nga yun din nga din sabi ko Sabi ko, sus, hindi ako mauubusan ng ano doon.
Ang dami nating nauna.
Nakalimutan ko nga dalhin yung collagen ko. Char.
Oh my God, yan na lang! Ay!
Ilang araw na ako may collagen.
Iba-try ko sa iyo yung Sip to Go.
Sige.
Sip to Go ba yun? Sip to Go. Sarap siya.
Ito yung mga...
Wala na. Huwag ka magalala. Nasa tindahan natin
Kaya nga,
mahanap
ilang
mo.
araw na ako lang po pa-beauty. Char. De, ano din kasi Manay, merong washing machine doon sa first stop namin. So sabi ko, nag-washing ako yun.
Dito, may washing machine na.
Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi, okay lang sa akin, walang damit, iulit-ulitin ko na lang. Tayo-tayo lang naman eh. Tayo-tayo lang naman.
Forma.
Kaya nga, magkakaintindihan na lang tayo eh.
Ay, eto yung para sa bukas siguro to. Gusto ko
Ano
yung
na naman?
Yung totoong barbecue. Yun ang gusto ko.
Sige.
Ayoko yung
Sus,
ang
ang
barbecue
dami na
nila,
namang pagkain.
Ano, diba? Yung gano'n.
Yeah.
Hindi yung, ang tawag nun, hindi siya yung uling.
Yeah! It's here, Baba. It's all cooked. Alo, do you want spring roll, Alo? Yeah, try Ate Holly's. And then if you want it, we'll give you your own one. Yeah, try Ate Holly's first. Because we don't want to waste food, mate. Oh! You like it, Alo?
Yeah, he likes it.